Guys, you have to check the rear wing out. Check this out, guys. Amazing. See how it just moves. This is the highest position, and then this is the lowest. I mean, not lowest, but middle one. And then it goes up back again, full double winglet, and then it just goes fully back down. Fantastic looking car, guys. Beautiful. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are in this gorgeous looking showroom with a gorgeous looking car. Right here we have the fire glow orange Lotus Emeya. Now we're going to take a walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks. Before we get right into the details of the interior part of this car, let us observe the exterior design, the beautiful lighting that this showroom has to offer, where you can purely admire how gorgeous this car looks. Now we're going to start off with the front before we move right into the interior. So let us first start off with the front lights. Now you have the two DRL lights that we have right here. Now these two lights will mainly be on while you're driving. Your main headlights are located right underneath here. You got this gorgeous looking black front bumper. I love the contrast that this car gives. The fire glow orange on this side, then you got this gloss black finishing on this side. You get your amazing number plate that goes right here, and these parts right here opening up for cooling purposes because this is an electric car, so you need airflow happening on there. And you do get some opening for airflow on this side as well, where air flows through there, you know, for aerodynamic purposes. Now down here you got this gloss black finishing, beautiful finish. You got this gloss black finishing right here as well, so it does look very, very stunning indeed. Yellow badging for the front with the black, love it. Also the front hood has this black finishing for the top, very nice indeed. Love the design like finish with lines popping down left and right, together with the center right here, which have some cut also as well. So it does look very, very gorgeous. So for the side, you have your Pirelli tires is what they're using. Tire size on this car is 265/40R21. You got drill disc brakes on the inside. You got your red caliper right there. Love the gloss black finishing of a wheel. Just the design is just fantastic, dude. So lights have turned on. That's exactly how your lights will look like. So amazing indeed. So you do have beautiful finish of a gloss black bottom right here, gloss black bottom. Then the wheel arch is over here. Beautiful. So for the side part, you get your black finishing right here. This is for your camera system on this side together with this side. So fantastic indeed. Gloss black finishing of a side mirror. Doesn't follow the body color. This is something which is my favorite, because the minute the mirror doesn't follow the body color, this looks very sporty, man, as you can tell. Half of the car on top is in a full black finish. You get this black finish at the top right there as well. Frameless doors, which we will open up the door in one more to show it to you. These handles, actually when you lock them, they go right in. You got this beautiful finish of a side portion of a car with the lines that are going all over the place. And of course the bottom rear, the bottom side design looks fantastic, dude. Check this out. Beautiful. I love it. So let's open up the doors and take a look at the interior of this car. Now the interior is Jasper, as you can tell. Check this out. Amazing. So Jasper interior, you got this suede-like finish right here, grey stitching over here. You got your CAF audio sound system, carbon fiber finishing on this side. You get your CAF audio sound system over here, 15 speakers in the car, beautiful sound system. Handle right here to open up the doors manually, electronically. This is your window adjustment over here. And as I mentioned, the frameless design of a door, right? Double glaze windows, so soundproofing is damn good. Now for the interior part of this car, you get your beautiful like finish of a design like of a seat, as you can tell. Can you see that? Amazing, dude. You got some suede finishing happening over here, you got your grey stitching happening all over the place, even at the side right here. Seat adjustments on this side looks absolutely fantastic. You get your ACBC logo right here, Anthony, Colin, Bruce Chapman. You also get them at the side of the door, which I will open up and show you to you later. So let's hop right in. The side plaque right here has the Emeya wording right there. Opening up of the front boot is compartment storage is over here, and of course over here as well. You can open that up from the center. Love the design like finish of the whole interior with the ambient lighting that goes across. You get your screen right here, which you can choose to turn off as well or turn back on. Showcases the radio, the music, the time, and you got this amazing looking screen that just gorgeous. NFC place where you can charge your phone, where you can keep your card. Beautiful. Carbon fiber finish for the center. You got your climate control adjustments over here, your gear, drive, reverse, neutral, hazard lights. Fantastic. So top right here, once again, carbon fiber finishing all over the place. You got your frameless mirrors on this side, and yes, you do get your beautiful looking suede finish of a how to say this, the whole top here is just fantastic, dude. Wow, love the suede finish, amazing. So before that, yeah, this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seat belts are in this grayish finish or black, but yeah, cool. Jasper interior looks fantastic. So once again, let's open up the doors and take a look. You do get a beautiful finish of a rear door as well. CAF audio sound system over here. Over here, you get your handle right here to open up manually, electronically. The windows for the left and the right, you can control from here. Handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. You got this suede finish that's happening all over the place right here. Gorgeous leather finishing with some amazing stitching. Once again, I love the black finish down here, together with the Emeya wording right there is on the side black. Very nice. Double glazed windows, fantastic. So let's jump right in. For the rear side of the car, you got your ACBC badging right here. Love the finishing texture like that for the rear part of the front passenger seat. Air vent adjustments over here. Once again, the suede finish, fantastic at the top right there as well. Beautiful Alcantara. So you got your air vent adjustments over here, and your other quick settings that you can adjust on the main screen also as well. So even your music you can change from this side as well. So kind of cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger seat. Seat belts are in it's sort of like black or grey. I mean, the whole interior is called Jasper, so it's black. So down here you get your other cup holders that you guys can actually store some other stuff with. So very cool indeed. So let's jump right into the center. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Headroom is good, and of course the legroom is fantastic as well. So beautiful, beautiful. So let's jump right in to the side and open up the doors. So that was the manual lever that you guys can pull so that you guys can exit if you don't wish to use the electronic button. Now for the rear wheels, you get your Pirelli tires. Once again, drill disc brakes for the rear as well, not just the front. You get your red calipers right there. Pirelli tires is what they're using. Tire size for the back is 305 35 R21. Gorgeous, beautiful indeed. Now check out the back part, guys. Amazing black finishing that you guys are getting all over the place right here. Love the rear brake lights that go from left to right like that. Beautiful openings for the airflow for the rear wheel arch to kick out the air to improve its performance. And your number plate goes right there. 360 camera over there, your reverse camera I mean. You got another camera right there. So Emeya 600 is what's the name of it. Gorgeous indeed. Beautiful rear boot space, fantastic seating, and you got your 12 volt socket to charge down here as well. And underneath right here you get your warning triangle together with your tire repair kit. So beautiful. You can even remove this whole shade if you wish to, but of course it's good to have it because you can, you know, not show people what's actually hiding underneath. So yeah, let's now fold down the rear to show you guys the space that comes with this car. So amazing indeed over here, and together over here as well. Let me see. Okay, so folded down the seats, they look good. But what's happening right here? Let's open that up back once again. Check out the rear diffuser in this black finish. Love the cuts and angles happening all over the place. Makes it look super aggressive and super stylish, man, dude. Okay, so boot space is open. Plenty of storage you guys can store, as you can tell. Check that out. As I mentioned, this whole piece, you can take it off if you don't need it. So yeah, cool. Let's open up this. So right here we have the driver side of things. Now let's take a look at the speakers. CAF audio sound system for the driver side of the door. You got your carbon fiber finishing at the side right here. Electronic buttons, window adjustments. You got your child lock for the rear also as well, together with the side mirror adjustments. Down here you have your manual lever to open up the doors, together with the boot opening right here as well. So CAF audio sound system over here and over here. Suede finish, fantastic. Grey finish all over the place, together with the grey stitching is what I mean, but Jasper interior is what it is. Emeya wording right there. You got your sport pedals that are located right there together with the brake and accelerator with the chrome finishing together with your footrest as well. Very sporty and nice. Love the interior, guys. Fantastic. So let's jump right in and take a look at the steering wheel. Once again, amazing design-like finish for the steering. Love the flat bottom and the top right here together with a nice place where you can rest your thumb while you hold the steering. Lotus badging in this black. You got your regen braking that's happening on this side right here for the left side. You have your driving mode selector on the right side. You can even change it from the main screen if you wish to. You got your signal indicators on this side together with your light, and also your wiper adjustments over here as well. So very clean setup happening all over the place. Steering wheel adjustments electronically adjustable. You have your head-up display that's located right there as well. And yep, you get another beautiful Alcantara finish of a whole piece of your headrest. I mean, not the headrest, I mean the top portion of the car. Amazing. So everything looks good. Seating position is fantastic. The whole design of the car is just absolutely fantastic, guys. So let's get right down. And before that, turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how does the signal and turn indicators look like. So you do get them right here. And of course, you get the bottom light automatically switched and changed, and the top DRL still maintains. You see what I mean? Beautiful. Now for the rear part, you do have them over here as well. Let's close this down and take a look. Gorgeous. Check that out, man, dude. How it's like waving from the inside to the outside. And then the centerpiece still remains with the Lotus wording right there in chrome. So let's turn off the indicators and do the most beautiful thing that you can do, which is check out the rear wing, guys. You can even set it to the highest mode or the other stage that you can set it up at. Check this out, dude. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This car looks like it's about to take flight. There's like a double winglet on this side. Damn gorgeous, guys. So if you're looking forward to get a Lotus, Emeya, Electra, Emira, or the Wilayah, perhaps you can get in touch with the salesman at the bottom here. The description is right there. And yeah, hopefully to see more of these gorgeous cars on the road. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.